Morgen. So, yeah, thank you. So, Russia aggression against Ukraine is unfortunately still the main topic of our discussion, and we need to continue providing assistance to Ukraine and at the same time boost our resilience. It is key to diversify our energy sources and get Ukrainian grain to countries that need it. Croatia is ready to contribute to both tasks with its capacities, LNG terminal and Adriatic ports to transport grain. I will mention again the situation in Western Balkans, and we have to invest in the political process that is fundamental for stability of the region, and crucially agreement on electoral high quality reform in Bosnia and Herzegovina, which is important for future of candidate status. We also need to stand against revisionist narratives and campaign in support of the region, which is exploited by other actors. We will also discuss our relations with Latin America, and here I will stress the important role of our diasporas, including the Croatian one. And I will also support plans to step up our engagement with Israel. So, thank you very much.